S119 Drone 8K with dual camera, the ultimate professional drone for stunning aerial photography and smart flight. The S119 Drone 8K is a high-performance, feature-packed quadcopter designed for both professional aerial photographers and hobbyists. With its dual camera setup, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, smart obstacle avoidance, and brushless motor technology, this drone delivers exceptional image quality, stable flight performance, and advanced functionality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking 8K footage, exploring FPV, first-person view, flying, or customizing flight routes, the S119 is built to exceed expectations. Key features: 8K dual camera system, equipped with a front 6K wide-angle Wi-Fi camera and a bottom HD optical flow camera, the S119 allows you to switch angles seamlessly. The 90 degrees adjustable camera and EIS electronic anti-shake technology ensure crystal clear, stable footage and photos. Smart obstacle avoidance. The advanced obstacle avoidance system detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring safe and collision-free flights. Brushless motor. Powered by a 1503 brushless motor, 4000 kV, the S119 offers powerful performance, longer lifespan, and quieter operation compared to brushed motors. 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Enjoy real-time 2.4G Wi-Fi transmission with a range of up to 50 meters, free from interference and occlusion, providing a smooth and immersive FPV experience. Optical Flow Positioning and Height Hold. The Optical Flow Positioning system and Height Hold mode ensure stable hovering and precise flight control, even in windy conditions. Long flight time. The 3.7V 1800 mAh smart lithium battery delivers up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge, with a 2-hour charging time via USB 5V. Customizable flight routes. Use the companion app to draw custom flight paths, allowing the drone to follow your desired trajectory for creative aerial shots. Gesture control and one-key functions. Capture hands-free photos with gesture control, and enjoy features like one-key return, headless mode, and automatic takeoff or landing for effortless operation. Specifications: camera, 8K HD with 90 degrees adjustable angle, 50x focal length, 25 frames per second frame rate. Motor, 1503 brushless motor, 4000 kV. Battery, 3.7V 1800 mAh Li-ion, 20 minutes flight time, 2-hour charging. Transmission, 2.4G Wi-Fi, 50m range. Positioning, optical flow positioning, height hold mode. Size, folded, 8 by 14 by 7 cm, unfolded, 29.5 by 27.5 by 11 cm. Remote control, requires 3xAA batteries, not included. What's included? One S119 RC quadcopter. One remote controller. One 3.7V 1800 mAh LiPo battery. For spare propellers. One USB charging cable. One screwdriver. 2 user manuals. Why choose the S119 drone? The S119 drone combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its 8K dual camera system and smart obstacle avoidance ensure professional quality aerial photography and videography, while the brushless motor and long battery life provide reliable performance. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, filming action shots, or exploring FPV flying, the S119 drone is your ultimate aerial companion. Elevate your drone experience with the S119 Drone 8K, where innovation meets precision.